Well, good morning. You join me today out in Shropshire again at a place called Venus Pools, I should say. Venus Pools. It is a nature reserve, and as you can see, I'm in a hide. So today is just about photography, really, obviously, which is what the channel's about, but practicing photography, which is why I've come here. So it's a great place. It's quite a bit about this morning. It's going to be a nice day, I think. It's quite chilly. And I forgot my binoculars. I can't believe I forgot bring my binoculars. There you go. That's me all over. Anyway. So I'm going to sit out there, get some photos and run through my equipment a bit more, settings I'm shooting at, etc. Just to go a bit more down the photography road this morning. So, let's see what it's about. So I'm trying to concentrate today on flying birds because they're obviously much more interesting. Yeah, sorry. Just had some goosander's flying across there, so they're much more interesting than just birds sitting on a water, obviously. So I'm trying to get some action shots. So I'm practicing my video recording as well. And this gimbal that I don't know whether you may not have seen my last video, but I bought this gimbal, the Benro gimbal, and it's so much easier to record, especially video of moving objects. Do it so much better, so much more smoothly. Knock that off for a minute. Than trying to handhold it all the time. Just move that around a bit, sorry. Than trying to handhold it. So I'm trying to get practicing with this, and also take lots of stills of flying birds. Now, my settings I'm using this morning. Let's get back to that. Okay, I'm shutter speed of 1,000th of a second, f8, and that's because I've got my 1.4 extender on as well, so it's shut me down to f8. And also I'm at ISO 1600. So that's my settings today, and 1,000 shutter speed is just about enough to get some nice shots of the birds flying. So yes, so it's good practice, this is. Just see if I can identify some of the birds for you. Here's lots of Canada geese. There are widgeon, shoveler, mute swans, grey lag geese, moorhens, oyster catchers, lapwings. What else have I seen? Moorhens, goosander. That's everything else. Oh, no. Oh God. One of those ducks with a black tail. His name escapes me at the moment. I'll put it on here anyway. So yeah, not a bad selection at the moment. Oh, little great crested grebe as well, sorry. Right, I've just come out the hide. I've had a cup of tea, bit of toast. I'm refreshed, so I'm just having a wander around this, it's an arable field, just on the nature reserve. Just having a wander around, see what's about. I have got a bit of exciting news actually. Well, I'm excited, I don't know whether you'll be, but I am. I'm off to Mull, the Isle of Mull, in a few weeks' time, in April, with a very good friend of mine, for 4 days, 4 nights, 3 full days. So I'm really excited. So look forward to that if you want. There's going to be hopefully several vlogs coming out of that. I might do one a day, depends how things go, but there'll certainly be some stuff coming up from there in about 6 weeks or so, hopefully. So yeah, it's great.